Oh, we're already recording. Hey you, it's Jazz, and I bought a phone off of Groupon. I don't think it's weird. I am a pretty loyal Samsung user. I have been for quite a while, since I got my first ever smartphone, which is about 3 years ago. I know. My phone recently just stopped working. The battery officially died. So it was time for a new phone, and everybody was like, oh my god, now's your chance, buy an Apple. And I was hesitant at first because, again, loyal Samsung user. I bought an iPhone. Yes. Alrighty, so I have my invoice slip here, and it says the iPhone 7 120 gigs rose gold. And I believe I paid about $220 for this, so yeah. So this is what it came in. I'm a little nervous now. Cuts like butter. Are you ready? Are you ready? Because I'm not. Okay. I think it's an iPhone. Oh, oops, and there we go, dropping things already. So here it is. Ooh. Okay. And it is a refurbished phone, so I don't know what exactly that means. Like, is it still good? It looks really good. No scratches on it, really. It's really just like this here. Is it gonna focus? There we go, a little bit. It's like a little bit of a ding down there, but that's really all that there is. Everything else is like really, like I just bought it from like the phone dealership. What are they called? I don't remember. So then it also did come with like the charging cable and this little like slip thingy. Oh, okay, cool. So I helped the environment, you guys. Yeah, and it's just like a little booklet like talking about like the return policy and whatnot. Came with like that key thing. I think, is this supposed to be for like the memory card? I don't know Apple. No, yeah, just the SIM card. iPhone doesn't take memory cards, I don't think. It just blows my mind. Alrighty guys, so what do you think? Do you think it was worth it buying an iPhone off of Groupon? Or have you ever bought an iPhone off of Groupon, or any type of like cell phone or like electronic? I don't know. Let me know about it. Did you have a good experience? I think honestly, I can't say because I haven't turned it on yet, but I really am kind of excited because I'm not really like a technology person. Like, I don't have to have the newest technology like the moment it hits the market, so I never really change my phones until it literally like will die on me, which is fine, you know, that's how they're intended. Part of the Apple family now. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go, but before I do, make sure you subscribe to my channel. The subscription button is down below somewhere, and also if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I will put some kind of bubble or link or whatever here, there. Find it. Yeah, you can see like more of my iPhone stuff if you're interested in that kind of thing on my Instagram. Ooh, what is that? Ooh, there's like a butterfly. I think I can, if I slowly take you, we can maybe see it. Okay. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but he's right there. Ooh, too blurry. He's right there. And I have never seen a butterfly walk, but every time I would turn around or like try to get a better shot of the wings, it would like walk away. It was the weirdest thing ever. And now it's just been kind of like closed. Like, this butterfly does not want its wings photographed at all. I got a couple, but they're not the greatest, but follow me on Instagram to see the butterfly wing photos. I would never be able to be a wildlife photographer because I get very impatient. thank you guys for watching this video. Am I crazy for ordering a phone off of Groupon? I don't think so. I think it's almost like Amazon. It's like, so who cares? And I did a little bit of research before I bought it. You know, I made sure that I could return it, and I did read the reviews, so it's not like I was just like, jump right into it. Yeah, let me know what you think. I'm gonna go. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye. Mwah. I'm finally an iPhone user. Bye, guys.